Hey Tool Spot crew! Ready for some jaw-dropping tools and next-level machines? Let's dive into today's insane lineup. You won't believe what's coming. Cutting plastic pipe cleaner than a dentist does teeth? This DeWalt tool is that smooth. It's the A+ of pipe cuts. Floor leveling made simple. This clever tool turns a messy job into a smooth process. Meet the ultimate edge processing tool. It handles wood, plastic, or metal like a pro. Need holes in a metal box with pinpoint precision? This laser tool does it like a lightsaber, and your inner kid will love it. Manual sifting? That's ancient history. These mechanical buckets sort faster, cleaner, better. Your kitchen had just leveled up. This one vacuums steam in real time like magic. Cutting sheet metal used to be hard. Now it's quick, smooth, and kind of fun. Yes, a smoke machine for soil. This system breathes new life underground, clever, clean, and effective. Can you install a ceiling solo? Absolutely, with the right gear. Want to know if a tool works? Watch it in action. That's where the truth is. Fan, light, remote, all in one sleek device. This is more than functional. It's an upgrade to your home vibe. Bosch's new mixer is a powerhouse. It blends cement and plaster so smoothly, your shovel can't keep up. Magnetic drill attachments now make invisible connections effortless. The future is here. This combo machine digs, clears, and resets your land like it's rewriting nature, part excavator, part genius. Feet sore after a long day? This compact gadget offers instant relaxation. Soothing and addictive. Check out this bit set. It handles all sizes, shapes, and headaches. Say goodbye to stripped screws. Measure ceilings with one hand? This folding tool is light, compact, and so smart it feels like a cheat code. Cutting hoses is now as easy as slicing an apple. Clean and quick. Even seasoned mechanics will be stunned by this clever invention. Sometimes, the simplest ideas are pure gold. Cutting metal pipe at a perfect angle used to be tricky. This unusual gadget makes it smooth, easy, and spot on. Inspecting sewer lines used to be hard. Now it's easy, thanks to this simple tool. Connecting steel ropes is tough, unless you have this tool. Then it's just easy. Even cows get the spot treatment. This misting archway keeps them cool and happy on the way to the fields. Transferring liquids? This pump makes the job clean, fast, and easy. Why didn't we have this sooner? Sometimes, words don't do it justice. Just watch the process and enjoy the magic. Watering plants, but make it unexpectedly amazing. Trust us, just watch. Vacuum while brushing your dog? This gadget is every pet owner's fantasy, fur-free and fabulous. Virtual driving that feels real. Pedals, steering, immersion, this setup brings the thrill home. Moving objects between floors just got easier. This ladder acts like a mini elevator. Genius! That overgrown bush? This trimmer takes it down in seconds. It's not a tool, it's a time saver. Watering your garden without moving a finger? This smart system makes you the garden whisperer. Fast, safe repair work? You just need the right tech. Stay ahead, stay efficient. Dipper Fox doesn't just grind stumps, it dances through wood and crushes roots like they're crackers. Perfect lines, zero effort. This tool draws like Picasso with a ruler. Old car looking rough? With the right tools, you'll have it shining like showroom new. This whirlpool tool sucks grime from your tank like a water tornado, leaving crystal clear magic behind. This clever gadget puts out candles automatically. Safety and style, all in one. Need to reach your roof? This portable step gives you the boost you need. Compact and convenient. Can't see into tight spaces? Just grab your phone and this trick, suddenly, no corner is out of reach. That's it for today. If you loved the lineup, hit like, drop a comment, and subscribe. Until next time, keep building and stay awesome.